everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this episode, we are going to be learning how to log in Free Fire with Google account. Linking your Free Fire account to Google is one of the smartest moves you can make as a player. First of all, open the Free Fire game on your device and wait for the loading screen and updates to complete until you reach the main login screen, which is this. Now from this menu, you will see a couple of login options such as sign in with Facebook, guest or more button where you can sign in with your VKID, Google or X. To link your Free Fire account with Google or to sign into it with your Google account, select the Sign in with Google option. Now, a pop-up window will appear showing the Google accounts currently signed into your device. Go ahead and select the email address you want to link to your game progress. If the email isn't listed, tap on Add Another Account button and enter your Google account's password and email. After selecting one of the options, you'll then come across this page. Tap the Tap to Begin button, and then, once the authentication is successful, the screen will return to the Free Fire lobby. And that's how you can easily sync your Google account with Free Fire. Using Google is much more secure than using a guest account, which can be lost forever if you clear your phone's cache. So that's how you easily log in or link your Free Fire account to Google. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.